Hi Lakers, here is an overview video of today's Desmos activity. First, let me know how you're doing. If you would like to say more, all you have to do is click on this T and say, hey, Miss P, and then let me know if you need to share something more than just plotting a point with me. Next, adjust the sliders B or C to see parallel lines. So adjust either this slider or scroll down and adjust C. And then you can adjust M, to see the different slopes, negative and positive. But make sure to adjust B or C to show the parallel lines. And then you're going to observe more parallel lines. Focus on the slopes. Now, use 2 sentences to explain what you saw. Feel free to go back. You can use the equations in your sentences. You can use anything you like that helps explain what you notice about parallel lines and their equations. Next, create some parallel lines. What you'll want to do first is pick a y-intercept. I'll show you one. So for example, a y-intercept of 5. Notice this slope is negative 1/2. So that means I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. Or I can go up 1 and left 2. Notice I'm still on the same line. Once I have 2 points, I can draw a line through my points. Now let's write that equation together. Y equals negative 1/2 x. In this case, I'm going to add 5. I challenge you to write your own equation and draw your own line of that parallel equation. Do a couple more like that. And then do some marble slides. For example, notice this slope of this line is 2. So y equals 2x, but I need to move it up. Notice this y-intercept of this star is at 7. So I'm going to add 7, and notice my line goes right through my stars. Do those a couple more times, and then take a look at perpendicular lines. Notice the M will show you the 2 perpendicular lines. And then the B and the C will adjust where those perpendicular lines are moved. I'll show you. Here's that purple line. Here's the red line. All the while remaining perpendicular, creating a nice T. Now look at 3 other pairs of lines and equations and focus again on the slope. How does the slope tell us we are perpendicular? Please write a couple sentences explaining perpendicular slopes and lines. And then let's reverse this slope. Positive 1 over 2x. Notice we have a nice T for our perpendicular lines. And then do it again. Reverse the slope, change the sign, and you have a perpendicular line. Keep doing that. And then collect some marbles. Y equals negative. Notice if this slope is negative 1/3, this slope will be positive. But then we just need to bring it down to a y-intercept of, say, 1 or 2. Let's do 2. Do a couple more like that. And then match where you see parallel lines, perpendicular lines, or neither. Each pile will have a word, equations, and a graph. So you'll have 3 different piles with all those words. When you're done, let me know how you felt about parallel lines and perpendicular lines. And if you'd like to say more, you're welcome to. Hope you're having an okay day.